Mona no mind me oh. They say I spoil. If I spoil, no me oh. So I beg not put Queen because my Queen not be you, Queen Zara. I beg you are Queen Zara. You are so superior. You are natural. I not feel me, I not put Queen because now that one people go say no. My brother Nelly Mavi is here. Nelly Mavi, my sister dey here. My blood, lovely Kasiro Abadiye. Abadiye, my sister. Sian, Tatalicious, Walai. Although I not to blame Tatalicious anyway. I not blame Tatalicious. Now those boys. Waiting, fine. His Kevin was a Benin boy. I cannot deny that. Kevin a Benin boy. Then Tatalicious come date I think one Gambia boy, Suleiman. When I not hear that way, he carry the matter tier person. I say this matter no the end. MCC go be God go bless you, my brother. This matter, know the end. When I know the matter will be this one a heavy scandal. It's an heavy scandal. So those so-called Nigeria boys, when they go call them, they screenshot speech. Mona go check Wendy page. When you go to Wendy's page, you will see some of the pictures whereby she screenshots many of the pictures and puts them on her page there. I know say I ask guy na Benin boy, Kelvin. From there, you friend Suma. So when I hear that way carry walkie stick. So walkie stick, that lady carry black cloth. We no sleep for night because of that boy. Okay. Tatalicious carry a black. She was on a black clothes. They are like Suleiman. Not be me, oh. Suleiman come up for grant. Not be the one way she don't do for back. He don't fuck many Nigeria boys. Plenty. Now this is what I was saying. Say people can do undo to make sure they make that money. To make sure that they put food on their table. But one thing I must say. Those Nigeria boys say they go food themselves. Make them not they follow and they do video. Go there, eat your cake and get out. Not go they follow and they do video. But not they disgrace on themselves. Not be Nigeria now they disgrace. Now they accept their disgrace. Because they see many video. Many people they comment. So they comment. I was reading so many comments. Sorry, I'm tasty. I'm tasty, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm tasty. My goose will soon arrive. My goose is on the. They come. I see MC. MC Gobe, you did there. Erica Gold. I saw the screenshots. Nigeria, Ghana, Gambia, guys. Yes. Let me. What would I take? Okay, let me take Coke. I think Coke will be okay for me. Yes. Okay. The one. What about the guy? What about the Igbo guy that speaks Igbo? Can you imagine? I received I went to the page. I saw the video. When I saw the video, I saw people commenting. People was even commenting, not be Igbo boy. When I see say the boy they speak Igbo. Person they speak Igbo. No need for me to play the video because at least nobody be small picking for you. Everybody don't watch her. The guy is from Imo State. That guy intonation, the intonation of the Igbo language the boy was speaking is from Imo State. Very cool. I had a rough day at work today. So, they hear where that Igbo boy, the boy they speak Igbo. Typical pure Igbo that boy they speak. Not be Agbo. He speak na pure Igbo. The boy speak pure and clean Igbo from Imo State. They say no, not be Igbo boy. Una want Zinara. All those Igbo, all those our Nigeria boys. Now Delta guy, not be Delta. No, I beg you, not be Delta. Erica go, not be Delta. That is pure Igbo. I grow in Enugu State. You understand? I grow in Enugu State. So I can differentiate some language, eh? That one a pure Igbo boy from Imo State. Now Imo State language, now that boy speak. Make una go watch the video where the video is on hell. It's on here. At least everybody will not first see the video before. Not be Mr. Tan. Bros, take your time. Oh, thanks, darling. You understand? Now, typical Igbo boy. This one, we be say our Nigeria boys. Now, small na don't see you. Queen the Tatalicious herself. Tatalicious say, if he send me pictures of different size of dick, where those boys they screenshot their dick they sent for them. He said they go calling, they go strip to naked. He said sometimes those boys go naked. If they're naked, they go open prick. They go open her. She go the screenshot am. She go the screenshot. Una see with our Nigeria boys. Una see them. Obi Tatalicious. Obi Tatalicious. Forget she's a transgender. If una see some transgender, they're too fine. Some transgender, they be like woman. Some transgender, they clean like woman. And they tell you, Tatalicious, that one not fine now. We be like Baba. Abuna not the same say she not fine. Tatalicious not fine. If they want read, because we both die, leave us for Sweden. For Sweden. Or we both die, leave us or Abi. Or we both give her money. Now that money, now those boys can't get interest for. That money, una can't get interest for. Can't they show una self? They can't they carry their self. Let the Tatalicious, they do video. Una do video call, go say, call me the queen. Call me, I'm your baby. Your baby. He go say her dog. He go say the dog with their house, now the boys' children. Now God go punish those boys. That Igbo boy, now God go punish you. Kevin, you never finish for ground. People they vex for Kevin. They swear for Kevin. Some people see they vex for Kevin. Not be say Kevin not do better thing. I know they judge him. Not be say the boy don't do well, bet. One and not they show me, they know they show themselves for the video where they do. That live video where Tatalicious they do. Make they know they show themselves. It's rubbish. It's they rob their name for more, not be Nigeria. Because not be only they be Nigeria citizen. Gambia do their own commot. Senegal don't do their own. Mali do their own. Suleiman. Abuna not yet where that one rain that time. Tata Jojo, we hear. Tiana Jojo, we hear. What do you have for us? You understand? When I hear where that one never finish, oh. Suleiman, I dey be lucky. He call they cry. Suleiman. Not be juju where Tatalicious get for his ass. Where till they commend all those men. Because this one not be their eye. Not be their clear eye. For Igbo boys were smart. As Igbo boys smart rich. Even speak Igbo commands. He speak in dialect. Pure Igbo from Imo State. From Imo State, pure Igbo. I they tell you, pure Igbo. Now pure Igbo boy, the boy speak pure Igbo. Their Igbo brothers, they not come out. I first talk this word. I said that time we be say we dey travel. When we dey travel around those Scandinavia countries, you understand? For Norway, if I tell you what Igbo boys they do for Norway, if I tell you, shame not to today their eye. Shame not to today their eye before self. I say I don't see chance. Say I dey watch the video. Sometimes I'll just watch the video. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'll see run come out. I'll go do work. I'll rush go work. You understand? If they all call me, I'll just watch the video small. Rush go work. FEZ Baron said what? Guests for Europe need to be careful because most of our brothers now they fuck Nyash will make you no live house one day before you come back, dem don burst your pikin yansh. I dey tell you, I'm telling you that. Not be like that juju. You know juju wey Tatalicious get for us. Now from Zimbabwe, she say, oh, now Zimbabwe nabi. Zimbabwe abi. Now from I think she's a Zimbabwe girl. Now Zimbabwe transgender, man, not even call her girl. It be like saying now Zimbabwe transgender now from Zimbabwe, right? Abi? Something like that. And it's an aspect of South Africa anyway. You understand? You understand? I say for Scandinavia, no be the one with Tatalicious your carry come and that one small now. When I know what Igbo boys they do for Scandinavia country. If you talk of markets now that they carry, they be number one. They can do anything for money. They can do any fucking dime for money. No be Tatalicious they fuck the boy. Now the boy they fuck Tatalicious. No be Queen Zara say that boy Nyash go they leak now. No, Tatalicious Queen Zara no. Now the boy, now that Igbo boy they fuck Tatalicious. Not be Tatalicious they blow her. Now the Igbo boy they blow Tatalicious. FZ Brown said to me that the Tatalicious they use juju. Yes, now they use juju. It's true. What are you saying, Cynthia? I'm telling you. See, this Cynthia. Win. Cynthia Reche, you don't come again. You don't say me and you with the quarrel. I don't block you for the other side. You can't still come again with another account. Like, Cynthia, I block you for. You know, say you they insult me that day. May I leave you? May I fair you leave you? Shall I face with you? I come here for. Queen Zara, not be the boy Nyash they leaky. Now the boy they fuck Tatalicious. Not be Tatalicious they fuck him. Not be Tatalicious they groove him. Now he they groove Tatalicious. Peggy is here. Good evening. You understand? And they tell you they don't like money. How much? Oh, okay, even phone. How much be the phone now? Where Tatalicious buy for him? Where that boy not fit enter street, may go do shoroti. May go find he go if he stand for Shogo Grand or Oyibo carry him, he go work for his side farm or he go clean Oyibo